Hello and welcome to Loft47 Pro. I'm just going to go over a little bit of the setup with you and some of the settings for the default templates that we will be giving you on setup. So when we set up the dashboards initially, you'll find them here in the integrations menu under Google Data Studio. So when it's enabled, this top URL is the brokerage dashboard. And any admin or broker logging in will land on the Google Data Studio page. The second one is for your agent. So it's kind of a pared down set of reports just for agents. And if this link is in here, the agents will automatically be directed to that page when they log in as well. So if you don't want that to happen, we will put this URL in there for you. You can just take it out so the agents don't have access, but maybe store this URL somewhere safe in case you do want to use it at another time. And of course, if you do get custom work done at $75 an hour, we have a resource for you that's very familiar with our data set. So if you have custom dashboards done, you can just replace these two to use your own customized dashboards that you're building. So as I mentioned, you can just head to, or anybody logging in will be at the Google Data Studio page. So you can see this brokerage is our test database. This has a default of last year, but you can pick any date range that you'd like to look at. Here's your customized dashboard link. Just click on that. That's going to get you in direct contact with our data specialist. So you can just fill in your brokerage information and your contact information, and we can reach out and build some custom data for you. So just 4 quick points to bring up about the Loft47 dashboards that we've built. This was built as a result of talking to many, many brokerages about some of the data that they might not find already in Loft47. So one of that was written deals, and not everybody is using contract created at dates in Loft47. So we've based the written on when those deals were created. So as they are generated in the system, you will see the reports based on that date. Also on close date, so a lot of the Loft47 reporting is based on transacted at date, but a lot of people want to see based on the closing date of the deal. So that's actually that date that you enter. The number of deals so far in the system isn't using that end count. It's actually the number of deals that an agent has participated on, so the full amount of deals in the system. Of course, we're looking at agent gross commission income, and we do break out the company income. So that company income is based on any brokerage deduction template that is called income or classified as income, or any GL line that is classified as income. So when it goes to your brokerage accounting record. So that's kind of the overview of how we're pulling that data. And I just wanted to show you, there are several different pages that you can click on. It's white down here. It's a little hard to see. So you're just going to want to hover down there and you'll see all these different pages. So there's some overview trends. I encourage you to dig into all of these. The written and closed is where you can actually filter it by your agent. So if you want to drill down and see, the different lead sources by your agents. And it's important to note that on any one of these reports, you can just right click, and hit export. So that's going to allow you to take the data out and play with it and do whatever you want with it as well. And that's on any report in the system. So that's a great overview of the brokerage menu. I'm going to show you what it looks like when an agent logs in. Okay, great. I have logged in as Jenny Simmons, and you can see we've created this PIN system. So when the agent logs in, they get a unique PIN every single day. So it regenerates every night when all the data regenerates. And that just keeps it slightly more secure. So yes, your agent should be the only one logging in under their username. But we also just wanted to make sure that those URLs, if they were copied and pasted anywhere else, that you would still need this PIN number to actually get their data. So they would just enter that PIN number there and it would just pull up the information just for the agent. So we can do a separate agent video for you, just to share with your agents if you are using this tool. From the admin side, if you want to just pull up this URL and just look at different reports, so you can do it by logging in as an agent, but you can also just use the URL that's in the integrations and go right to these reports as well. So it might be useful because they're just slightly different data laid out, and we've included the goals on this side. So Each agent now has the ability to add an annual goal to their profile, and we'll just break that down by month to try and track how they're doing. So this agent is doing quite well. They're over their goal for the year already. It's only August. So yeah, once you have that pin in place, you can filter it by any agent. So you can see the whole brokerage-wide goals, or you can filter any page by agent. So again, if you look down here, we have a business overview, which is this page, some upcoming closings as well, and then some deeper analysis on the written and closed information. So the written, you'll see a breakdown of lead sources and sides, what was written monthly. You can also have the agents are able to export any of these. So of course, if you want to customize, you can absolutely do that through that brokerage menu. Just click on customize, we'll reach out. So you might want to create different reports for your agents or something a little more specific for them. So I hope that gives you a good overview of what Google's Data Studio templates are. And yeah, please feel free to reach out and click that button in your templates, and we can get you some custom work done.